in this case, we are asked to find the integrating factor. If you are to find the integrating factor, you need to consider something, which is in terms of, this is a first order equation, first order differential equation. First order differential equation. The representation is y prime, let's say, plus p of x, which we then take y plus q, which is then equals to y, let's say, q of x. So if we are to relate this general form, this is general form of a differential equation, general form of first order differential equation. If you are to relate this, of course, you should also know that integrating factor, this is short form for integrating factor. Integrating factor is exponential integral of p of x dx. If you have your differential equation like this, so you can see that this is a differential equation. So if you have your differential equation like this, then integrating factor, the formula for calculating integrating factor, you should also note it. Like all your formulas, you can keep it somewhere so that you will not, when you are doing your last minute reading, you can quickly brush through to see the formulas you need to maybe memorize and the likes. So in this case, so we then have to get our differential, to get our integrating factor, what you now need to do is to make the equation, make it to be the same with this. And if you look at this, they have y prime here, you have y prime, but they don't have a coefficient for y prime. You have y here, they also have y, but they have a coefficient, which is this. They have the result here, which is this. So for you to make your differential equation to be the same with their own, then you need to now say this is your own differential equation. This is your differential equation. Then you need to now divide through by what? By 2. So that once you divide 2 by 2, then this first one will not have a coefficient. Then it will not be the same with their own, the same with their own, the same with their own. So that will now give you 2 prime over 2 plus 4 over 2y is equals to 3 over 2. So that will now give you y prime plus 2y is equals to 3 over 2. So your integrating factor will now be, exponential, going from this formula, exponential integral. You can see now that if you have since your differential equation is not the same with their own, the same, and the same. So what you just need to do is just say your own p is what? Your own p is 2. So that's 2 dx. So dx will now be equals to exponential. Exponential 2 dx is what? 2x. So your integrating factor is exponential 2x. So that means we are correct.